YouTube Clips is the newest feature to roll out to the platform for content creators. But like most new features, YouTube really doesn't dive into exactly what this is, and it's actually left you guys with a lot of questions. Some of you asked, what are YouTube Clips? You also want to know if enabling clips gives people permission to use your content, and some of you can't even see the clip feature, so you're like, how do I even turn it on? So today I'm going to be sharing what clips are, how to use clips in order to get more views and watch time this year, and how to enable clips if you don't see it, or how to disable clips if this is not a feature that you want on your channel. Looking for more ways to incorporate royalty-free music in your YouTube videos? Check out today's sponsor, Soundstripe, and choose from thousands of music, videos, or sound effects to increase your video's production without the hassle of copyright claims or strikes. You can sign up for free at soundstripe.com and use the code navigatingyt to save 15% off your subscription. Link in the description box below. Alright, so when enabled on your channel, YouTube Clips is a way for you or your fans to share a 15 to 60 second section of the video that you are currently watching. So this means as a content creator, you can either share your own videos or you can share the videos of other content creators that has clips enabled on their channel. Now, I know some of you have been concerned that clips allows people permission to use your content, but that is not the case. What you're doing is you're allowing people to share your content, which is going to benefit and help you out. And this is completely different than short sampling. Short sampling is you are giving other people permission to use your content to make their own, which is going to help them out. But clips is completely different, and you're just giving people permission to share your content and share a small section of that video and that content, but it's ultimately going to benefit you because it's going to drive people back to your own video and your own watch time and your own likes and metrics and everything else. Now, I know for me, my clips was automatically turned on, and you can find this in your YouTube settings. So if you're not seeing clips as an option, you may have to go in and turn clips on. All right, so let's go over how to enable or disable this feature if you do or do not want to use clips. So first things first is log into youtube.com, go to your profile picture in the upper right-hand corner, drop down to YouTube Studio. Once you're in YouTube Studio, over in the left-hand side menu bar at the very bottom, you're going to see settings. Go ahead and click on that. And then we're going to go to channel and advanced settings. From here, you're going to have to scroll down a little bit, and then you're going to see where it says clips, and then there's a box here. So for me, this box was automatically checked. So if it is checked, that means you are enabling the feature and you and your audience can share your videos with clips. If you do not want clips, all you have to do is simply unclick this box and click save. If you're not seeing clips when you're on other people's videos, it just simply means they have not enabled that feature yet. Now, of course, we cannot depict what our audience is going to share. They can share any 15 to 60 second part of our video, but as a content creator, if you are sharing the 15 to 60 second segment of your video, I highly recommend sharing it on a part that's going to entice your viewers to want to watch more. So this includes maybe you do it on a cliffhanger, so they have to come and see what happened after that cliffhanger. Or if you're doing educational content like this, choose one tip and make them want to watch the other tips. Or even better, if your video has steps, so step 1, step 2, step 3, maybe share step 2. So now they have to watch the full video to understand what step 1 was and how to get to step 3. So doing things like this, again, entices your viewer to want to watch the entire video. So this way, they're not just watching that 15-second segment on a loop. They're going to watch that segment, feel enticed to click on watch the whole video, and now they're going to be able to watch your whole video, which again increases your overall engagement metrics. All right, so if you want to share clips, all you need to do is go to the video that you want to share. So we're just going to go to my last video, which is this one right here. And then if you have video chapters, it makes it a lot easier because then you can just share a certain section. If you don't, then you're going to have to go through and figure out which ones you want to share. So for me, I actually want to share this much right here, which is talking about how much I made from digital earnings. I feel this is going to attract my audience in, especially for newer creators, because digital earnings is something that anybody can do no matter what size channel you have. And this is going to be really good for them to see how much I've earned. I'm only talking about a small portion, so they're going to want to watch the full video now to see how I've earned this much money. So that's kind of how you want to think when you're thinking of clips. What clip can I share that's going to make people want to watch the entire video? So from here, I'm going to go now underneath my video. It's next to download, in between save and download. Go ahead and press clip. When you're on that section, if you press on the chapter before you hit clips, it'll automatically take you there. And so now next to my video, you're gonna see where it says create clip. And then it's gonna say add a description. This is required. Okay, so something to keep in mind when you have the description is it only allows 140 characters, so you have to be really strategic on how you're going to get people to watch your full video. So for me, I share a little snippet about the clip that they're gonna watch, and then I have a call to action for them to watch the full video, and I give a reason why. And then underneath that, you'll see the section. Again, if you have chapters and you click on a chapter, it'll automatically jump you to that chapter. If you don't, then you're gonna have to use these little blue bars to figure out what portion to go to. So you can just kind of click on this and drag it. If you want to get to a certain section, you can click the ends and increase or decrease it. So once you get to exactly where you want to go, you can click on share clip. All right, so once you have share clip, you're gonna notice a couple of things. Number one, it does not give you the option to share directly to your community tab. But if you want to do that, you can take this, copy it, go to your community tab, and then just kind of write how you normally would. So if you want to just give a little snippet, and then you can paste this link here. So this way, when they click on this link, it's going to loop them through. But something I find is with your community tab, this is really going to be like your subscribers, although it can hit the home page as well. But doing this doesn't give them a portion. So I actually like to just do something like this, where I create a GIF in Canva, and then I just have where they can watch the full video there. So I find that to be way more powerful. But you can use this to either post into your link in bio tool, or maybe directly to friends or family, or maybe to another social media platform that's not listed here. But up here you have Twitter, you have Facebook, WhatsApp, you even have Reddit, you have Pinterest, so there's a whole bunch to choose from. So I'm just gonna click on Twitter. All right, and now you see it actually has my title, it has the clip, so when you click on this, after I tweet it, they're gonna be taken to the clip portion of it. And then the description that I created is now up here. So you're gonna see 15 seconds clipped by Navigating YouTube, so it shows you who clipped it, and then it shows what the original video is. So if you wanna change this tweet to make it more enticing, I highly recommend to do that. But I'm just gonna kind of leave this as is, and then we're just gonna tweet it out. All right, now you see my tweet is here, and so if I go to click on this, this is what your audience is going to see. So it's going to loop just that one section, and it looks like a full video, so you can't see anything else. So this looks just like a regular video, but right underneath it you see that it says watch full video, and then you also have watch full video on the side, and again that description is right here. So this is just looping through, and this is counting as views and watch times, even though it's just looping through. So it gives them a chance to watch this and read your description and decide, do I want to watch the full video? If they decide yes, then they'll go ahead and click watch the full video, or they can even share the clip. So if they're like, oh, this is really interesting, let me share this with my friends and family, it'll take them back to that same loop. Or they can click on watch the full video, and now they have the section to watch everything. Again, it is going to pick up right where the clip left off at, or wherever the clip was, but they can simply just go back to the beginning and then start watching your entire video. But again, I feel like this is an amazing way to promote your YouTube videos for free and get more views, more watch time, and again, it's not just you that can promote it, you can get your audience to promote it. So somehow find a call to action to use to let your audience know that you want them to share a certain section, or instead of just saying go ahead and share this video, let them know to clip this video and promote their favorite part on their social media account and tag them, and then have your username. Again, this just kind of increases your community and increases your reach on different platforms as well. And if you are looking for other free ways to promote your YouTube channel to get more views and more subscribers this year, you can go ahead and check out this video next. Now get out there, make some content, and let's grow together.